Hello guys, this is Marlon. I have a 2005 RSX Type S. It has 88,000 miles, I recently encountered an issue where I'm getting this knocking noise on the engine bay. Haven't really gotten many help from a lot of mechanics around my area. They kind of like fucking suck balls or something. But it would be really grateful if you guys could help me out. So the car idle, it sounds like it's fine, but it really isn't. There's this small knocking noise. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Trying to get close, that way you guys can hear that. By the way, my car is 100% stock. Haven't done any modifications whatsoever. But if I rev the engine, I get a really loud knocking noise. Hopefully you guys can hear it. So I don't have a check engine light. I really don't know what it is. I just now I decided to put new oil filter. I thought that was the case, but it wasn't. If you guys could really help me out on this, it would be great. So once again, just go ahead and hear it. Let me know what it is. Again, thanks guys.